If you want to install Dynamic Spot on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon right here and search for your Dynamic Spot. Dynamic Island to be exact. Now choose it and press install. Great, now let's press open. Press next. So now you need to give all the necessary permissions, right? So first of all, let's select our dynamic spot here. Let's go back. Let's give the access to notification access. Once again, let's choose our dynamic spot, press allow, and draw on screen, press allow as well. Press next. All right, so we need to choose installed apps, dynamic spot, press allow. Great, now let's press done. So you will be prompted and asked whether you want to have your Pro plan. However, if you don't, simply tap on this cross icon and that's it. All right, so how does it look like and how do you set it up? So it looks like this. Let's check on this preview window, press allow, and your dynamic spot will look like this. So here you'll get your notification, you'll get it. So choose notifications. Here you can see the list of the applications which can activate this pop-up. So once again, give all the necessary permissions to those applications which you want to have. You can choose which system events can activate your dynamic spot as well. So activate all of them which are available, right? You can choose your screen off, non-removable, sensitive content, and disable system pop-up if you need to. And basically that's it. So that's how it works and that's how you get it. Easy as that. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.